Evo Gimbals is proud to introduce its newest product, the Evo Shift. The Evo Shift will transform your smartphone into a Hollywood-style Steadicam and allow you to capture incredibly smooth video. The Evo Shift Gimbal. Finally, your video's worth sharing. Unleash the power of your smartphone and make your videos worth sharing with the Evo Shift.
Wireless charging is a key feature of the new iPhone. But are you still charging your expensive iPhone with messy cables? If you get one charging pad in your home and one in the office, you can drop the cables. Just pick up the phone and go. So cool! But if your iPhone is not charged enough, or if there's no socket, the only solution seems to be the old power banks with messy cables. Don't you think your new iPhone deserves a more exciting charging experience? Meet Quick, the slimmest wireless power bank designed for the new iPhone. In a word, a mobile wireless charging base. We designed Quick to be absolutely portable, sleek and elegant, and matches your phone perfectly. The astronautic high-density lipolymer battery provides a larger capacity with smaller size. The 8,000 mAh capacity can get your iPhone fully charged for 3 times. The most compatible Qi wireless charging standard allows you to charge both iPhone and any Qi devices. With the fastest Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 15-watt standard, it will save you 4 hours on recharging and only takes 45 minutes to fully charge the Samsung S8. Saves 1.5 hours compared to a 5-volt 1-amp charger. With the extra USB ports, Quick can charge 3 devices at the same time. Over a dozen international certificates and safety features ensure the reliability and endurance. The Quick wireless charging pad also provides the fastest 10-watt charging speed, which is 2 times higher than a 5-volt 1-amp charging pad.
Please welcome Go Duo, the ultimate Bluetooth speaker. Classy, versatile, durable. For 9 years, the team at Kinsa Technology have developed and manufactured OEM speakers for world-famous brands. Now, they're finally coming out with their own, and it does everything you've ever wanted in a pair of portable speakers. Throw on the carrying case, and you have a super durable, portable device. It's water resistant and can take a beating. But that's not the best part. Go Duo can be instantly split into a stereo speaker system. The magnetic base connects the 2 speakers together and allows you to easily attach them to any magnetic surface, making them extremely versatile. When unlinked, each half can play as a standalone speaker. When linked, the 2 speakers will synchronize for a distinct stereo experience. Big bass, sweet highs. You won't lose sound fidelity with these babies. You can play them wireless or use the hidden jack for a quick hookup. Clean, sleek, modern. These are the wireless speakers you've been waiting for. Go Duo. Premium sound anywhere.
Meet Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Tile Slim is as thin as 2 credit cards, which makes it perfect for wallets, pockets, and passports. Attach it to anything. Choose a ringtone with the Tile app. And then rest easy, knowing you can always find your things. Just ring your laptop and find it fast. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Get Tile Slim today and never worry about losing your wallet again. Tile. Find what matters.
Lost your keys? With Tracker Pixel, just grab your phone and find them. Like that. Or press Tracker Pixel to make your phone ring loudly, even on silent mode. Spend more time doing what you love and less time looking for your stuff. With the family sharing feature, everyone in the family can keep track together. Find things fast with Tracker Pixel's loud ringer and bright LED lights. And when you lose an item away from your phone, rely on the power of Tracker's global network of users, CrowdLocate. You'll even get private location updates and quick access directions so you can track it down fast. Everything you need is right here with Tracker Pixel.